Woodworking is not just a fulfilling hobby. It can also become a lucrative business venture. Many individuals underestimate the potential for profitability in creating simple woodworking projects. Whether it's the satisfaction of transforming raw wood into beautiful creations or the joy of running a small enterprise, this craft offers numerous opportunities for generating extra income. For anyone considering this path, a combination of creativity and practicality is essential. The foundation of a woodworking business lies in understanding your target audience. Identifying who would be interested in your creations, be it local homeowners, decorative enthusiasts, or gift shoppers, can significantly impact your designs and marketing strategies. Engaging with your community through surveys or social media platforms can provide insights into what items resonate with potential customers. This outreach can guide your project ideas and ensure they meet local demands. In addition to understanding your market, honing your woodworking skills is crucial. Simple woodworking projects allow for quick learning and experimentation. As you develop your skills, you can explore various techniques that make your creation stand out. Whether it's mastering joinery, experimenting with stains and finishes, or incorporating sustainable practices, skill advancement can elevate your work. Moreover, showcasing these skills can build credibility, attracting more customers over time. Once you've crafted your items, effective branding becomes vital. Creating a unique brand identity not only helps differentiate your products, but also establishes a connection with your audience. This can be as simple as a memorable business name, a consistent color scheme, or a signature style. When customers can recognize your work amidst a sea of options, they are more likely to return for future purchases or refer your business to others. Pricing your woodworking creations correctly is another crucial aspect of running a successful business. It's important to balance affordability with the value of your time and materials. Thoroughly analyzing the costs associated with production, including tools, wood quality, labor, and overhead, will help set a fair and profitable price. While it may be tempting to underprice to attract customers initially, this often undermines the quality perception of your work and can lead to unsustainability. Marketing strategies play a significant role in reaching potential customers. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase your projects, sharing behind-the-scenes processes, or even offering crafting tips can engage your audience. Building an online presence through platforms like Instagram or Pinterest can attract people interested in your woodworking style and aesthetic. Additionally, using local platforms or community boards can enhance your visibility among nearby customers seeking handcrafted items. Craft fairs and local markets are excellent venues to sell your woodworking projects. These events provide direct access to potential customers and allow for immediate feedback. Setting up a booth showcases your products effectively, and personal interaction can create lasting relationships with buyers. It's also a great opportunity to network with other craftsmen and share ideas for growth. You might also consider diversifying your offerings. While specializing can be beneficial, being adaptable increases resilience in changing markets. Incorporating seasonal or themed items could attract different customer segments. This not only keeps your work dynamic, but also encourages repeat business as customers return for new and exciting products. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important for consumers. Using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood can appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Promoting this aspect of your business can differentiate your brand and help you tap into a niche market. Moreover, sharing your commitment to sustainability can foster deeper connections with customers who value ethical practices. Collaborations and partnerships can also be beneficial in growing your woodworking business. Consider teaming up with local artisans or businesses to create unique, complementary products. For example, partnering with a local cafe to create furniture pieces or decorative items can bring your work to a broader audience. Collaborations can also lead to cross-promotion, helping both businesses expand their customer base. Offering workshops or classes in woodworking can provide an additional income stream while showcasing your expertise. By teaching others how to create their own projects, you not only promote your craft, but also build a community around your brand. This can foster brand loyalty, as students become invested in your work and may turn into customers for your other products. Maintaining high levels of customer service is key to building a successful woodworking business. Engaging with customers before, during, and after the sale can make a significant difference. Promptly addressing inquiries and honoring commitments fosters trust. Furthermore, encouraging feedback or reviews can highlight your commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. As your woodworking business grows, consider reinvesting profits into your craft. Upgrading tools or acquiring new equipment can enhance the quality and efficiency of your work. This not only improves your production capabilities, but can also broaden the scope of projects you undertake. Embracing growth mindset and continuous improvement can sustain long-term business success. Exploring online sales platforms can dramatically increase your reach. Websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade allow crafters to reach a global audience, which can significantly enhance sales potential. Setting up an online store means that even when you're busy creating, your products are still available for purchase. This can lead to passive income, making your business more sustainable. Networking with other woodworkers can also be beneficial. Engaging with local woodworking clubs or online forums allows for the exchange of ideas and resources. This can provide insights into industry trends, tool recommendations, or new project ideas that can keep your work fresh and relevant. Collaboration or mentorship opportunities can further enhance your skills and business acumen. Knowing when to scale your business is pivotal. If you find consistent demand for your creations, consider hiring additional help or expanding your workshop. This can increase production capacity and ease workload, allowing you to focus on design and strategy. However, it's vital to maintain quality throughout this growth, as customer expectations will naturally rise alongside business expansion. Balancing passion and business demands can be challenging but rewarding. It's essential to remain passionate about your woodworking while also treating your creations as a business. Finding joy in the process can inspire creativity, which ultimately reflects in the quality of your offerings. Passion often translates to authenticity in your work, which resonates with customers. Woodworking offers a wealth of opportunities for individuals looking to turn their passion into profit. The craft not only allows for creative expression, but also provides pathways to build a small business. Starting with simple woodworking projects can be an effective way to develop skills, understand market dynamics, and establish a customer base. With the right approach, woodworking can become a sustainable source of extra income. One of the first steps in establishing a woodworking business is identifying your niche. This requires a careful assessment of the market and understanding the demands of potential customers. Researching popular trends, observing competitors, and engaging with community interests can provide insights into what products are sought after. Finding a specific area within woodworking allows you to specialize and differentiate your offerings, enhancing appeal. Mastering woodworking skills is crucial in creating high-quality products that can command better prices. Focusing initially on simpler projects lets you refine your techniques without the risk of overwhelming complexity. As your confidence builds, you can gradually take on more intricate designs, which can contribute to attracting a wider array of customers. Continuous learning, whether through online courses or workshops, can also expand your repertoire, making your business more versatile. Branding your woodworking business helps create a lasting impression among customers. A clear and engaging brand identity can set you apart from competitors. This includes crafting a memorable name, designing a logo, and developing a cohesive visual style across your products and marketing materials. A strong brand communicates professionalism and helps foster trust, encouraging customers to choose your products over others. Proper pricing is a fundamental aspect of running a successful woodworking business. Including material costs, labor, and overhead expenses in your pricing strategy ensures that you don't undermine your profitability. It may be tempting to set low prices to attract customers initially, but this can lead to undervaluing your work and creating unsustainable practices. A well-researched pricing strategy balances accessibility for customers with fair compensation for your craftsmanship. Marketing plays a pivotal role in driving sales for woodworking projects. Utilizing social media platforms allows you to showcase your creations to a broader audience. Regularly posting images of your work, sharing crafting tips, or even engaging with followers can create a loyal customer base. Additionally, maintaining an online portfolio can serve as an effective tool for promoting your brand and attracting potential buyers. Participating in local craft fairs or markets also provides excellent exposure for your woodworking business. Setting up a booth allows you to connect directly with customers, showcase your craftsmanship, and gather immediate feedback. Personal interactions at these events foster relationships and can generate word-of-mouth referrals. Many artisans find that these personal connections lead to lasting customer loyalty.